Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set guys your gesture navigation and guys how can you use and guys how can you remove this button layout. Guys, three setting guys in this video guys I am going to show you friend. First, how to remove guys these three button layout. Second, how to set gesture navigation and how to use gesture navigation in our view phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to set it. So then guys scroll it and guys click on your phone system setting. So you can see at the second last, so step here, just click on system navigation and guys you can see your gesture navigation. So guys we will click here. After click guys you can see gesture navigation has set it and guys three button has removed and guys last how to use gesture navigation. So guys you want to back, so guys how can you back guys, you can see guys you don't have button. So you can back guys this right and left side guys, this both side guys you can back like that, you can use like that. Now you want to close up, so guys tap here, like press here like that, then guys you can close your app and guys you can back from this right and left side. So I hope friends you have understood how to set gesture navigation, how to use and how to remove three button navigation. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.